This code that you're seeing right now, I didn't write this on a laptop. I wrote this on my phone, and still in 2026, people think coding needs a laptop.
When I looked around, especially students in small towns and villages, I found one common problem. That is, they don't have a laptop or a PC, and because of that, they don't even start coding. But honestly, भाई लोग, problem device की नहीं है, problem mindset की है. It is on you that how much you are dedicated to learn Python. And if you are dedicated to learn Python, then this video is for you all guys. As you know that there are a large number of apps available on Play Store, App Store and other platforms, but not all of them are useful. कुछ apps सिर्फ बेसिक हैं, कुछ में एड्स ज़्यादा होते हैं और कुछ प्रॉपर्ली काम भी नहीं करते. For example, Programming Hub, Sultan, Mimo, Inky and Replit, which is also a website. Now here comes the most important part. Among these apps and websites, which one should we use to learn Python? So the answer is Python 3 because of the following reasons. You can write and learn Python code on your phone easily. It works without internet, so you can use it anytime. It gives you a real coding environment on a mobile. It supports many Python libraries like NumPy and more. And most importantly, it is free to use. So yes, we'll be using Python 3 to learn code in mobile, and to start the process, we'll first download it from Play Store. So let's open the Play Store app and search for Python 3 and install it, and I'll meet you after installing the app. And for now, just enjoy the music, have fun guys. This is the interface of Python 3 app, and then you will be asked some questions to answer, and you have to choose one out of four. Then you will be redirected to the page where you will be asked to enable some options like this. You can enable these two only, and you can also enable the third one but leave it. Then you will be redirected to the page of subscription, but don't panic, it is just for getting more features like removing ads. This is the area in Python 3 we will write our codes and execute it. And as you can see here, we get many options like tab, semicolon, hashtag, curly brackets, square brackets, greater than, equal to, and so on, which will help us to write our code perfectly and nicely. And more, we are getting our whole keyboard to write our program, and our first program will be print hello world. So I'm going to write it. So print, now where is curly brackets? Here is curly bracket. We can use our curly bracket from keyboard also, like as you can see here in the right corner. Then semicolon, I'm saying double inverted comma, then hello world. We are good to go to execute this. The icon you are seeing here of resuming is the icon to run our code. When I'll tap on this, our code will be executed. As you can see, look, hello world, our code has been executed perfectly and nicely. And to come back to our writing code area, we'll just have to tap on this arrow, and we'll back again to our writing code area. Then I'm going to write our second code, that is a equal to 5, then b equals to 9.
Okay, then c equal to b plus a, and d equal to b into a. Now print c, sorry, my mistake, it's happened, c and d. Now we are good to go. Let's see. As you can see, we get our option, we get our solution like 14 and 45. And similarly, to return to the previous editing area, we will just have to click this, tap this arrow, and here we get many other options like interpreter, terminal, pip, share, positive in. I don't know about positive in what is. You will have to explore on your own. And setting, editor, system, you can go on your own and can select it from here. You can remove this dark theme or font size, editor theme, light, and so on. Now we'll be asking ChatGPT to write advanced code to create a motion graphic, and from there we'll copy the code and we'll paste here and we'll run the code. Let's see what will happen. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us a nice code which we can use to create a graphic design animation. So let's ask, suppose you are a professional code writer. Okay, then give me a nice code to create a motion graphic design, or you can say animation, and that should be on a notebook so that I can copy them. Okay, so the code has been given to us. As you can see, what we'll get in this code, it creates moving glowing style circle, fake animation graphic vibe, bouncing animation, a simple YouTube intro style text in the center. Okay, motion graphic animation code. So we'll have to copy this. What this gives you, real-time animation like motion graphic, moving colors, particles, smooth looking effect, center title text. You can change it to your channel name. Okay, change title, your name. Okay, we can change our title too. Okay, let's copy it and return back to our code editor. So create a new one. You can create a new page and can paste with this option, right? You have given a right paste corner button, this one, and here we go, it has been pasted. Now we have to run this. Now as you can see, it is a nice animation, and we can change this to, wait, where is name, where is name, import allocation, we can change this. We'll change it to searches. SRCHZ searches with Sultan. So we are good to go. Can I change colors? Leave this. Now simply run. And here we go. What? Why I'm not getting my full? Wait. I need to unlock this, and I should. It's like now we are going to get nice. If you want similar content related to ChatGPT or Pirate Chili, then you can comment below. And if you like the video, then you can subscribe and like it. And thanks for watching, guys. Keep coding.
All this time I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do